From the originators of DLP printing comes the Envision One, a competitively priced, continuous desktop 3D printer from Envision Tech. With enhanced cDLM technology and premium resins, the Envision One offers professional-grade results at the touch of your fingers. Its new domeless basement enables unprecedented speed, making it one of the fastest 3D printers available, delivering the most accurate models and robust end-use parts. Its expanded build platform enables high-volume output, allowing dentists to produce 10 dentures in under an hour, 6 orthodontic arches in 15 minutes, 18 quads with dies in 18 minutes, 6 castable partials in less than an hour, as well as indirect bonding trays and surgical guides. When speed and accuracy matters, choose Envision One. Exclusively from Envision Tech.